Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to discuss the practical aspect of accounting for share capital. For any public limited company, especially for newly formations company, they may issue as shares to the public. For the collections of the share amount, there are various segments. For example, they collect the amount for share in the name of applications, allotment, first call, and at last second and final call. Whenever they collect the money from the various investors, they have to pass a journal entry for each segment of collections. Let's take for applications. When any amount are received in the name of applications, for that the journal will be bank account debited to equity share applications account. The same amount will be transferred to equity share capital. For this the journal will be equity shares applications account debited to equity share capital account. Next we have allotment. For allotment due, the journal will be equity share allotment account debited to equity share capital. When the allotment due money are received, the journal will be bank account debited to equity share allotment account. Next we have first call. For due on first call, the journal will be equity share first call account debited to equity share capital account. When the amount due on first call are received, the journal will be bank account debited to equity share first call account. Next and the last will be equity share second and final call account debited to equity share capital account. When the amount due on first and second final call are received, the journal will be bank account debited to equity share second and final call. So these are the journal entry for the various segment. In order to clarify the doubts or in order to understand properly, let us solve one practical questions. Let us take one simple questions to understand it. Suppose Assam Tea Limited issued 15,000 equity shares of rupees 100 each, payable as follows: rupees 30 on applications, rupees 20 on allotment, rupees 30 on first call, and the balance, that is 20 on second and final call. The company received 20,000 shares. However, the director of the company rejected and refunded the excess of applications money to the investors. All the shares were duly subscribed, called up and paid up. Pass necessary journal entries. Now let us pass journal entry for this question. As we know that for applications we have to pass two journals, but the questions remain here. But the thing is that the company have issued only 15,000 shares. Out of 15,000 shares, the company have received 20,000 shares. It means there is an extra shares of 5,000. That 5,000 extra shares will be rejected and refunded. For rejections and for refunding the amount, you have to pass one journals. The journals will be equity shares applications account debited to bank account. Now let us pass journal entry for these questions. For applications, there are two journals. First, bank account debited to equity shares applications account. As we know that the company have issued 15,000 shares. Out of 15,000 shares, the company have received 20,000 shares. So the amount for 20,000 will be transferred to bank account. Therefore, the journals will be bank account debited to equity shares applications account. The amount will be written as 30 into 20,000. The value will be 6 lakhs. Both on debit and credit, the value will be 6 lakhs. The narration for this journal will be being applications money received. Now the amount for 15,000 share will be transferred to share capital. For this the journal will be equity shares applications account debited to equity share capital. Now the amount will be 15,000 into 30, that is 4,50,000 for both debit and credit. The narration will be being applications money transferred to share capital account. As we know that there are 5,000 extra shares. That 5,000 extra shares amount will be rejected and refunded to the various investors. For this the journal will be equity shares applications account debited to bank account. Now for allotment, the journal will be equity share allotment account debited to equity share capital. The total amount will be 20 into 15,000, total value will be 3 lakhs on both debit and credit side. The narration will be being allotment money due. When the allotment money due are received, the journal will be bank account debited to equity share allotment. Amount will be same, that is 3 lakhs on both debit and credit. The narration will be being allotment money received. The next we have first call. For this, the journal will be equity share first call account debited to equity share capital account. Your amount will be 30 into 15,000. Total value will be 4,50,000 on both debit and credit side. Narration will be being first call money due. When the first call money due are received, the journal will be bank account debited to equity share first call. Your narration will be being first call money received. And at last we have journal for the second and final call. Second and final call money are due. The journal will be equity share second and final call account debited to equity share capital. Your value will be 15,000 into 20 is equal to 3 lakhs. The narration will be being second and final call money due. When the due money on second and final call are received, then the journal will be bank account debited to equity share second and final call account. Your amount will be same, that is 3 lakhs. Narration being second and final call money received. So these are the some journal entries that you need to pass for these simple questions. Apart from these, sometime you may be asked to prepare a cash book and balance sheet. For cash book and balance sheet and for different topic we are going to discuss in the later part. So stay tuned, and once again, if you are a new viewers, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, have a nice day and be safe all the time.